If the protective film is clean and does not affect the use when received, we recommended not to tear it off.
Install the antenna on the monitor. Align the two holes and snap in.
Press and hold the push button on the front and back at same time. You can take it down.
Like my way. There are magnets for fixing the monitor.
Align the magnetic bracket with the round hole on the back of the monitor and put it on.
Tear off the protective film of the base. Like my way. Pull up this buckle. Put it in the position you want and pull down the buckle to fix the bracket. Like my way. Pick up the camera. Like my operation. Tear off the protective film of the camera. The brown thin wire is antenna pigtail wire of camera. Please don't cut it or the camera don't transmitting the signals. This is power cord. Pick up the power cord. Connect the power cord to the camera. Like my operation. This is a power board. Note, please do not cut off this power board. The camera will be burned if you cut it off. Pick up another power cord. Then connect the power cord in the monitor. This wire can be connected to fuse box, a CZ radio, ignition switch. The easiest way is connect the monitor to cigarette lighter outlet. There are two T-taps. Disconnect the display and cigarette lighter. Connect the power cord to the monitor. Like my operation. You can use a tool to cut off the outer insulator. Be careful not to cut the copper wire. Like my operation. Repeat the previous operation. Now merge the two red wires. Then merge the two black wires. Take out the green connector. The plus sign is positive, the minus sign is negative. Use a tool to loosen the screw. Insert the merged red wire into the positive plus slot of the green connector. Tighten the screw.
Insert the merged black wire into the minus slot of the green connector.
Tighten the screw. Then plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the green connector.
Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the power.
Press the red button. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. The testing finished. Now disconnected all the wires. The power cord can be connected to fuse box, a CZ radio, ignition switch. Now disconnected the power cord. The easiest way is connect the monitor to cigarette lighter outlet. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the power. Press the red button. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Pick up the camera. You can use cable ties to fix the antenna. like my operation. Or you can also use 3M stickers, like my operation. Red is positive, black is negative.
The red wire is connected to the positive wire of the backup light tail light license plate light. The black wire is connected to the negative wire of the backup light tail light license plate light.
Pick up the monitor. The plus and minus keys have no effect in this case. Press the M key to enter the menu mode. Press the up key to enter the pair. Keep pressing the smart button for a long time. When the OK icon appears on the screen and the pairing is successful, press the up or down key to switch to the brightness. Press the up or down key to adjust the brightness.
Press the up or down key to switch to the contrast. Press the up or down key to adjust the contrast. Press the up or down key to switch to the saturation. Press the up or down key to switch to the saturation. Press the up or down key to switch to the image flip.
There are 4 modes: normal image, mirror image, vertical normal image, vertical mirror image. Press the up or down key to select the image mode. Like my operation. Now let's introduce smart buttons. Quickly press the smart button once to turn off the guidelines. Quickly press the smart button once again to turn on the guidelines. Quickly press the smart button twice to switch the guidelines width. Slowly press the smart button to adjust the guidelines width. Quickly press the smart button 3 times to switch the guidelines height. Slowly press the smart button to move up and down the guidelines.
Quickly press the smart button 4 times to switch the guidelines width of near side.
Slowly press the smart button to adjust the guidelines width of near side. The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.